Hey guys, Nick Miller from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very nice Kubota BX25D subcompact tractor loader backhoe. That's all this tractor ever had was a tractor loader backhoe. Never had a belly mower under it. You can put them under these. This tractor shows 2,162 hours. There's no way it's right. This tractor does not have that kind of hours. It is tight. It is clean. It's all original. It is turf tire. That's what's been on it. Or that's what it's equipped with. Backhoe wise is extremely very good and tight. BT601 backhoe attachment. These are an LA 240 quick attach front loader. Has a 48-inch bucket in the front with the bolt-on wear bar for it. Bottom of the bucket's excellent. The paint's nice. It is a very clean tractor. But that's what it shows, and I know that that's not accurate. So we're going to show you here underneath the hood. We're going to walk you around it, show you everything about it. I've owned some of these with 1,000 hours on them that guys just didn't take care of, that was all slopped out. This tractor's not that way. Powered by Kubota D902, 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. The bonnet keepers are not broke. Generally tractors with high hours, this is all broke just from the vibration of a small motor. We did service it. All the filters and oils have been changed with OEM Kubota filters, and it's done and ready to go. Hood's in very nice shape. It's very straight, very clean. Grill guard on the front. You can see it is the original bucket and it is the original paint. The gentleman did put that bolt-on wear bar on there. Tires are going to be about 75 to 80% all the way around. Backhoe. Again, very nice, very tight. It is not slopped out or wore in any way. It doesn't show a lot of usage whatsoever. It does have the folding roll bar. It is standard backhoe style controls. So you're going to see right here in the dash, it does show that. 2162 on the hours. Fuel gauge works, temp gauge works, joystick loader control. You can see here on all the covers where you get on and off, everything there is very nice and original to the tractor. Floorboard does not show that at all. The gentleman did have something on his feet. I don't know what it was. That did leave some residue on that. Other than that, very nice tractor. Seat on a BX25, 23 is about the same how they work. Seat's going to rotate around just like this. It's going to latch in place, okay? And all you're going to do is do the opposite procedure of that. Lock it back in place, okay? We're going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run around. She does everything it is supposed to do. Here we go. So again, I've owned a pile of these tractors over the years, and what do I want to say? We're a very good judge of what's what with them. The tractors that have a pile of use on them, you'll see the full drive out there. You'll see the wear points. This tractor has none of those. You have your turn signals 4 ways. That's low range, power steering. Go ahead and go to high range. BX is a very reliable tractor. A lot of them out there, very good resale value, just a very good all-around tractor. The bottom of the bucket's very nice. We're going to go ahead. We're going to switch over here to backhoe mode. Hop up on the machine. Machine picks itself up, no issues. Pull your pin, or pull your swing locking pin. They are a very, very good, smooth backhoe on these. Again, this is a nice all original paint, very clean backhoe. Picks itself up, you can swing yourself. Cells back up. Very good. We're going to replace our locking pins. Okay, that's all there is to that. Stick that one back in. Going to just dismount the tractor. Throttle back down. We're going to take our seat. We're going to bring it right back around like this. Latches back in place. Fellas, there it is. Tractor, 4-ways, turn signals, everything there works. If you have any questions at all, let us know. Very good running, working tractor. It is all original paint. It is extremely clean. And I'm sure we'll have the comments, that's a lot of hours. It's not. Again, I feel that tractor, truthfully, somewhere between a $500 and $600 tractor. It's tight, it's clean, it's straight. There's no way that tractor has those kind of hours. If it did, it would be wore in all the places that it should be at that kind of time. And this tractor's not. Guaranteed it to be 110%. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. It is serviced and ready to go. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.